Hey you, I heard your depression is strong, but apparently you're much stronger. I mean, all that pain and suffering, and you're still here. That's awesome. I'm proud of you. Not many people get to say that, you know? It's a gift to have you around. Look, I know it's hard, and it hurts. A lot. But trust me, there are people who love you more than you know. Some people with a love so big, my love towards Miss Makima can't be compete. Stick around, not just for me, but for all the people waiting to see you get better. I'll be going back now. I heard there's a penguin exhibit near here. But the next time we meet, let's have a tournament to see whose love is stronger. See you around.